Tuesday, August the 22nd, 2017. To you. Yesterday, while we were watching the clips on TV, India Supreme Court justices reached a landmark verdict. Instant triple talaq was declared void, illegal, and unconstitutional. Triple talaq is a practice whereby Muslim men can divorce their wives in minutes by saying the word talaq or divorce 3 times. Even though the practice has no mention in Sharia Islamic law or the Quran, it has existed for decades in India. Until now. The Supreme Court bench, in a 3-2 verdict, said that triple talaq is violative of Articles 14 and 15 of India's constitution. The petitions to challenge that practice have been filed by Muslim women. It is estimated that around 14% of India's total women population profess the Islamic faith. Interestingly enough, the 2 dissenting judges were not in favor of triple talaq but merely wanted a 6-month bond until the Lok Sabha, or India's parliament, could bring in a law. It may sound at odds with our definition of legal equality, but in India, divorce issues fall into the category of personal laws, along with marriage and adoption. Personal law enforcement differs among Indian citizens depending on their religion. For example, I could not have divorced my wife in India by saying talaq, 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 simply because I'm not Muslim, but Christian, and thus triple talaq is not part of my religious practices. Why did Britain opt not to touch personal laws in India? We must remember how sensitive as an issue religion is there. Should we remember why India was partitioned? Anyway, the Supreme Court recent decision is a big move towards the implementation of a uniform civil code. It is by no means surprising that pursuing such a legal code is part of the BJP's manifesto. India's Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi himself, used to be a chief minister of Gujarat, a border state with Pakistan, so I can guess how sensible he is about religions conflicts. Of course, there are many issues yet to be ruled about, such as polygamy or nikah halala. Also, I hope that the future Uniform Civil Code may ensure legal equality among Indians regardless of their religious beliefs. But for the time being, I'm happy for Indian Muslim women. Yesterday was a good day for India. Some Indian Muslim fellows used to sing once, twice, 3 times a talaq. I prefer to sing Mrs. Aretha Franklin's R-E-S-P-E-C-T, especially if that T is Indian. The world still on.